Alright guys, we're going to do a test of the Harbor Freight 150 PSI air compressor. Let some air out of this tire here. This is a 33 12.5. That's how much air it's got in it right now. It's got about 18 in it right now. Air it up to 30, see how long it takes. Alright. Got a gauge right here. Alright, here it is. It is a little loud though. Just connects power source with your battery. Just like that, nice and simple. Alright. Kind of doubt it's already there, but we'll try it. See what's at now. Alright. $24. A little bit longer. The gauge is more accurate once you shut it off, so let's try this now. The gauge isn't quite accurate while the compressor is running. Let's see. 28, just a little bit. Let that run a little longer. This does come with a nice carrying case too. I just have it back here. You can put the compressor goes in here, and your hose goes in there, and instructions if you just don't know how to use one, I guess. Which should be about 30. Alright. Yep, 31, that'll do. And I have used a Milwaukee M12 compressor in the past, and it works pretty good, but I will say this is faster. And it's nice because I don't have to bring an extra battery with me when I go wheeling and stuff. Now this does get hot right here, so don't touch it unless you want to get burnt. These ends right here, they get hot. So yeah, that's definitely true. Alright, hope you guys have had a great day, and thank you for watching.